Imagine this. Tomorrow, Elon Musk steps away from Tesla. You own the stock, you believe in the brand, you love the cars, and suddenly you realize, without him, the company could collapse, or maybe grow even stronger. Today, we'll break down what really awaits Tesla without its visionary. From Wall Street's reaction to the future of Cybertruck, Semi, FSD, and the supercharger network. And most importantly, we'll answer the question on everyone's mind. Is Tesla bigger than one man, or is it all built on Musk? Stay until the end, because I'll share a scenario nobody is talking about yet. Let's go step by step. The brand, the money, the tech, and the market, if Musk is no longer there. End of an era. Picture a world where Tesla exists, but without Elon Musk. Most people don't even want to imagine that moment. His face, his bold claims, his crazy deadlines turn Tesla from a startup into a symbol of the future. But what if he leaves tomorrow? Without his charisma, his tweets, his relentless pressure on engineers, will Tesla still be the same? The company has factories, tech, and a team. Musk was the engine that spun the flywheel. The only question is, has the flywheel gained enough momentum to keep turning on its own? Company or cult of personality? Back then, only EV geeks knew about Tesla. That changed when Musk stepped in. The flashy presentations, the risky promises, the infamous tweets. Around the brand grew not just an audience, but an army of fans for whom Tesla equals Musk. But what happens if you remove the visionary? Can Tesla keep its cult-like status, or will it fall into the just another car maker bucket? Without a charismatic leader, the brand risks losing its magic and becoming just a logo. The solution is a new leadership model. Not another Musk, but a different focal point. A strong operational CEO, the product itself, autonomy, energy, and a clear mission. If Tesla nails that, it keeps not just the assembly lines running, but also the aura of a visionary brand, without the man who started it all. And what about the market? For investors, it's simple. Rising market cap and predictability. The problem? Tesla's valuation is still too dependent on Musk's persona. A tweet, a decision, a public stunt, and the stock swings. Researchers have documented again and again the correlation between Musk's activity and Tesla's stock moves. The fix is to depersonalize value. Show the market a roadmap, milestones, and results that don't rely on daily involvement from Musk. More transparent communication, multiple voices in leadership, clear product launches, delivery reports, energy deployments. All of this makes the price depend on fundamentals, not charisma. What does Musk actually do? Musk isn't just a CEO. He's a strategist, an idea salesman, and an accelerator. Without his insane goals and pressure, Tesla wouldn't have become the icon it is today. But the myth that he does everything is wrong. Behind him stand thousands of engineers and managers who turn those ambitions into steel, code, and factories. For Tesla to live beyond the cult of personality, it needs strong processes and distributed expertise. Take the Model 3. The vision came from the top, but scaling production and delivering quality, that was the team's. Even after turbulence in 2024 to 2025, Tesla kept delivering over 410,000 vehicles produced in Q2 2025 and a record 9.6 gigawatt hours of energy storage deployed. What Tesla has beyond Musk? Here's what people often forget. Tesla is a massive industrial machine. In 2024, the headcount shrank to approximately 125,000 employees after peaking in 2023. But that's still huge. Gigafactories across continents and the largest DC charging network of any automaker. Yes, the fear is clear. If Musk leaves, everything collapses. But look at the fundamentals. Gigafactories, supply chain, the supercharger network, the FSD datasets, megapacks in the field. These are assets with inertia and barriers to entry. They don't vanish overnight. So when you evaluate Tesla, don't just look at the man. Look at deliveries, margins, energy deployments, charging infrastructure. That's the real foundation. Tech, Cybertruck, Semi, autonomy, batteries. One of the biggest misconceptions is that without Musk, innovation stops. But Musk is a catalyst. The projects live in R&D and operations. Cybertruck. By 2025, sales cooled off after the 2024 pre-order hype. Tesla Semi. Deliveries are still limited, but PepsiCo and others already run dozens of them. Autonomy/FSD. Software keeps rolling out, but a fully driverless robo-taxi service is still tied to regulators and maturity of the system. 4,680 batteries and supercharger. These remain strategic pillars. The supercharger network is Tesla's moat, and it's being opened to rivals like GM, Ford, Rivian, making it not just infrastructure, but a revenue channel. Tesla's real strength is integration. Hardware plus software plus network. That survives leadership changes as long as investment in P